Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abra, and here on this channel I share everything about cleaning, cooking, organizing, and motherhood. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please consider to subscribe and let's stay connected.
I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance.
Thank you guys for tuning in to this weekly laundry routine, laundry motivation videos with me. You guys know I like to keep my laundry room inviting so I don't feel the time spent in here. That's why I have these beautiful flowers in here to illuminate the room. And here are all the products I'll be using in today's emergency laundry routine. And if you're wondering why I keep calling it emergency laundry routine, keep on watching and you'll find out in a second.
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better.
So guys, we have reached the laundry today or naked tomorrow point in our household. You know, when you have all your clothes dirty, the laundry basket is piling up, but you don't have time to do laundry. That's where we are right now. I've had a really busy week, so I didn't have time to do any big loads or an extreme all-day laundry. So I'm just going to do one load for each family member just to get us through the week. That's why today's clothes sorting it's a bit different, and I'm just picking up things that I'm going to wash. And this is what I meant or called by emergency laundry routine. So you guys let me know in the comment if you've had or have done the emergency laundry before, like, you know, when all your clothes are dirty but you don't have time to just, you know, do all the laundry. You just pick what you need and wash those, just, you know, to get you through the week. So if you've done that before, go ahead and let me know in the comments below.
I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing, not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you.
I picked up few things from Ross and Burlington that I want to show you guys. It's not a try on haul, but just want to show you what I got with the prices on them. Ross and Burlington are some of my favorite stores when it comes to clothing, but I think Ross can have more clothing than Burlington. Like sometimes I can't even decide. But you guys let me know in the comment below which one is your favorite when it comes to clothing. Is it Ross or Burlington?
My breath and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. One for the pain, no hesitation. Jerk as we can, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing, not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you.
I got this drawstring laundry bag from the dollar store for $3. It says laundry schedule, Sort today, wash today, fold eventually, iron, ha ha ha. But we're gonna try to not do some of these things today. And sort today, wash today, fold today, iron. Can we just go with what the bag says? Do people still iron their clothes? And you guys, dollar store is changing a lot. Everything is starting at $1.25, but you can find things around $3 and $5. Those are the things that are like look a little more better than what dollar store used to carry when everything used to be 99 cents. So if you take a trip to your dollar store next time, look around. There are some stuff that you're gonna find there and you'll be really surprised. So I got this new product. I've never used this. This is gonna be my first time using it, so that's why I mixed both the bright color clothes and the dark color clothes just to test this. So let's see. I'm gonna have to read the instruction on it. So apparently I'm supposed to put it in first before I add the clothes. So I'm gonna pull the clothes out and put it in first before adding back the clothes, because this is my first time using this and I don't want to mess up. So let's take the clothes out.
Another kingdom is gone. Wanted to stay 'cause things were better. We tried, things were better. I say goodbye to days of daydreams. Another kingdom is gone. I wanna stay there forever. I never thought what I dreamed. I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, to let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave you.
Here I started working on my third load, which are my son's clothes. He's two years old, and I noticed that there were just scent coming out, a bunch of scent coming out of one of his shorts, and I couldn't figure out which one of them was it. So I had to go through them one by one, shook them to find out which one was it. I finally found it, and yeah, it took me an extra time. And there is no way I was going to put all these scents in my washer. So it did take me an extra time, but I'm glad I did it.
Adore how we always end up on the floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, to let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave you. Another sabotage. You're a million.
I have a quick question for you guys. Do you guys like to see what I do between loads when I'm doing this laundry motivation videos? Or do you just want to go with, wash, fold, repeat? because when I was filming this video, I also had a mini grocery haul video that I filmed. That's what I was doing between loads, by the way. So I decided to film it and include it in this video. But then at the end, I'm like, I don't know if you guys would be interested in that. I really wanted to ask you guys, but I don't have access to the YouTube community post yet, so I didn't really have a way to ask you guys before I edit this video. So at the end, I just decided to remove it and ask you guys on this video so I can know what to do next time, because it's all about what you guys want to see. I want to show you what you want to see. And by the way, I think if you want to have access to the YouTube community post, you need 600 subscribers. So if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and get me to that 600 so I can start making community posts and interact with you guys.
And I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the
This is what my color culture looks like at the end. I am really pleased with the result. You don't put this in the dryer, but I just happened to forget it when I was transferring the clothes from the washer to the dryer. So I'm really pleased with the result, like I said, and I will be using this again.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But these